On this video we're going to look at redeeming deposits that have previously been taken against a customer account. So in one of our previous videos we looked at how to take deposits and store those against your customers in the database so that you could later bring them up when the customer comes in to have his meal in your restaurant. So we just sign onto the system here, and all we need to do is go to the deposit section like this, and in this instance we're going to go to view deposits. That will show us every live deposit that is currently stored on the system. So you can see we've just got the one, which is Mr. Jerry Springer, and he has a deposit of £40 that's been paid for. All we simply need to do, we select his deposit and click on open order. Okay, and that brings up the customer with his £40 taken off whatever his table bill will be. And the next step we need to do is we simply go to open table and we allocate that deposit against the table that Mr. Springer and his party are set at. So in this instance we'll use table 10 like such, and when you ask if you want to transfer, you click yes, then simply enter the number covers if you have that feature enabled. Click OK like that. So we can now see that Mr. Springer and his party are sat at table 10, and they automatically have a starting bill of minus £40 because of the deposit that was paid earlier. So at this stage we can put in, we'll put in a wine, a bottle of wine like that, and you can see the wine is £14.50, and that brings our total down to minus £25.50. We can go to the main screen and we'll go to main courses. We'll have the beef lasagna, 2 of those, and Cumberland sausage with rice, and a steak and ale pie with chips. So there you go, and you will build up the bill as you normally do. We're using the till, and you'll see that eventually your balance will hit a positive, and that is all that the customer will owe after we've deducted the deposit. At this point we can simply log off. Okay, and this is normally where your kitchen printer and bar printer will fire up to print your orders through, like so, and that's the table stored with the deposit against it. If we can have a quick look now, we go back on. If we go back to open the table, so you can see here that table 10 shows that Mr. Springer's party is sat at table 10, and it currently has a balance of £15.30, which we can press like so to recall the sale. And then we can simply go to our subtotal screen, and we'll just, in this case, pay the whole balance off on the card. So there we go, £15.30 due, paid on card, and that's how simple it is.